Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of classes 9, 10, honorable guardians and the viewers, welcome to today's program. Today once again I am with you. I am Muhammad Aklim Akhtar, assistant teacher, Waruk Rahmania High School, Sharasti Chandpur. Dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will take a class from English Grammar and Composition book. It is Unit 9, Lesson 7, and you can see the topic here: connectors or sentence connectors or linkers. I hope you all are ready with your grammar book, notebook, and with a pen. Dear students, let's see the picture. Some women are crossing a canal by using a bridge which is over the canal. Dear students, if there is a bridge on the canal, people can easily connect with the people of other side. If there is a bridge on the canal, people can easily connect with the people of other side. So, learning outcomes of today's lesson. After completing this lesson, we will be able to define connectors, identify connectors, use connectors to connect sentences. Dear students, what is connector or linker? A connector or linker is a word that works as a conjunction to join two or more words, phrases, and clauses together. Why do we need them? Why do we need them? We need them because they join ideas and show how those ideas are related to one another. They help us organize our ideas. It's easier for the reader to follow. Connectors of addition. Some connectors are here mentioned. Additionally, Bangla meaning is অতিরিক্ত ভাবে, furthermore, অধিকন্তু, in addition, অতিরিক্ত, moreover, অধিকন্তু, similarly, একইভাবে, likewise, অনুরূপভাবে, in the same way, একইভাবে, besides, তাছাড়া, not only but also, শুধু তাই নয় বরং. Dear students, we have to use some words as a linker or connectors. If we want to join two clauses, that express opposite sense, If we want to express reason, if we want to express purpose, if we want to express time of function, if we want to express time of function, if we want to talk about doing something, if we want to express qualities or things, we have to use connectors. See, if you can add some connectors or without connectors, two passages are mentioned here. One is without using connector and another is using connector. First one is without using connectors. Learning English is important. It is a useful language. It is the international language. You should learn it. You can travel around the world. You can communicate with people all over the world. So, dear students, think, where can we add connectors? Yes, learning English is important and it is a useful language. We can use a connector and to join or to add two sentences. As it is the international language, you should learn it. You can travel around the world and you can communicate with people people all over the world. So, we can use many kinds of connectors. Now, here some connectors are mentioned here. These are connectors of contrast to mean different. Connectors of contrast. বিপরীতধর্মী বা বিপরীত অর্থে সংযোজককারী শব্দসমূহ। However, যাই হোক, nevertheless, তবুও অথবা তথাপিও, although, though, even though, যদিও, in spite of, despite, সত্ত্বেও, in contrast to, অন্যদিকে, অথবা আমরা বলতে পারি অপর পক্ষে, অপর দিকে, on the other hand, অন্যদিকে, whereas or while, যেখানে, on the contrary, পক্ষান্তরে. These are the connectors of contrast. Here, the words are, or the connectors are used to express opposite sense. Although, even though, despite, in spite of. In here, we can see two wrong sentences and two right sentences. Dear students, if we use although or even though or despite or in spite of as a linker or connector of although, even though, despite or in spite of, if we use them in a sentence, we have to use some particular rules. I had rainy days. We desperately need water in our tent. If we use although, we can't use that. If we use although, we can't use that. Here the word that or the conjunction that is wrong. So if we use although, the sentence will be, although I had rainy days, we desperately need water in our tent. Number 2, this sentence is wrong. Despite that it was raining, we went for a walk. If we use despite, we can't use that. Or it was raining, we have to use only a noun phrase. We can't use a complete sentence. We have to use only a noun phrase. So dear students, this sentence is wrong. Despite that it was raining, we went for a walk. Here, despite that it was raining, it's wrong. So we have to write the sentence, despite the rain, we went for a walk. Despite the rain, we went for a walk. We have to use only a noun phrase. The rain is noun phrase. Okay, dear students. Now, connectors of cause and effect. Connectors of cause and effect. If we use therefore, consequently, as a result, thus, for this reason, because of, in order to, so that, connectors of cause and effect. If we want to express reason, we have to use therefore, consequently, as a result, thus, for this reason, because of, in order to, so that, therefore, অতএব, consequently, ফলস্বরূপ, অথবা পরিণামে, as a result, ফলে, thus, এভাবে, for this reason, এ কারণে, because, কারণ, because of, কারণে বা জন্যে, in order to, কারণে বা জন্যে, so that, যাতে. Dear students, if we want to express cause or effect or any kind of reason, we have to use these kinds of connectors. Connectors of sequence. First or firstly, second or second, third or thirdly, etc. Next, afterwards or after that, eventually, finally, before that or beforehand. First or firstly, প্রথমত, second or secondly, দ্বিতীয়ত, third or thirdly, etc. তৃতীয়ত, ইত্যাদি. Next, তারপর, afterwards or after that, পরবর্তীতে অথবা তারপর, eventually, অবশেষে, finally, অবশেষে, before that or beforehand, নির্দিষ্ট সময়ের পূর্বেই. Dear students, connectors of sequence. These are useful and essential devices for paragraphs, essays, letters, or any kind of writing that goes beyond single sentences. So, dear students, we can use them in a paragraph, essay, letter, or any kind of writings. Other connectors. Fortunately or unfortunately, ভাগ্যবশত বা দুর্ভাগ্যবশত, লাকিলি, ভাগ্যক্রমে, obviously, অবশ্যই বা স্পষ্টত। ফর এক্সাম্পল, উদাহরণস্বরূপ। ফর ইনস্ট্যান্স, ফর ইনস্ট্যান্স, দৃষ্টান্তস্বরূপ, such as, যেমন। The connectors are also used in the sentences, or we can use these kinds of connectors in sentences. Dear students, if we want to give any example, we can use, for example, for instance, such as, fortunately, luckily, obviously, etc. Now, what have you understood from this topic or from this class? Try to evaluate yourself. Now write two connectors of additions. Write two connectors of cause and effect. Write two sentences using although and in spite of. Dear students, write down homework in your notebook. The question is for you. Write a short paragraph about population problem of Bangladesh using at least 4 suitable connectors. I hope you will do your homework properly and you will read attentively, sincerely and regularly. That's okay. I have finished your homework. No more today. Thank you everybody. Allah Hafiz.